How to invest in real estate in the United States. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video.
In this video, I'll explain how to invest in real estate in the United States, whether you're a US citizen or a foreign investor. Real estate can be one of the most rewarding investments, but only if you understand the market and the strategies available. Let's dive right in. 1. Understand why real estate in the US is attractive. The US real estate market is one of the largest and most liquid markets in the world. Here are some reasons why people are drawn to it. Stable economy. Despite ups and downs, the US remains an economic powerhouse. Strong legal system. Property rights are well protected. Diverse markets. From big cities like New York and Los Angeles to emerging cities like Austin and Nashville, you have plenty of choices. Financing options. Mortgages, refinancing, and partnerships make investing accessible. 2. Decide on your investment goals. Before jumping in, ask yourself, do you want cash flow, monthly rental income? Are you aiming for long-term appreciation, selling later at a profit? Are you planning to flip properties? Buy, renovate, sell quickly? Are you looking for tax advantages or portfolio diversification? Clarifying your goals will help you choose the right strategy. 3. Learn about real estate types. There are several types of real estate you can invest in. Residential, single-family homes, duplexes, condos, townhomes. Commercial, office buildings, retail spaces, warehouses. Multifamily, apartment buildings, multi-unit complexes. Vacation rentals, Airbnb or short-term rental properties. REITs, real estate investment trusts, a way to invest without owning physical property. 4. Know the market. Research is key. Location, location, location. Study areas with population growth, job opportunities, and good schools. Local regulations. Some cities are landlord-friendly, others are tenant-friendly.
Market trends. Are prices rising or falling?
Is there a housing shortage? Comparable properties. Check what similar homes are selling or renting for. Online platforms like Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com are great starting points. 5. Financing your investment. If you're a US resident, you can use conventional mortgage loans, FHA or VA loans, if eligible. Private lenders or hard money loans, partnerships, or syndications if you're a foreign investor. You may need to make a larger down payment, usually 30 to 50%. Work with banks experienced in international clients. Consider cash purchases to avoid financing complications. Also, set aside cash for closing costs, repairs, insurance, and property taxes. 6. Build your team. Successful real estate investors rarely work alone. You'll need real estate agent, especially one who knows the investment market. Attorney, for contracts and legal advice. Property manager, to handle tenants and maintenance. Accountant, to navigate taxes and deductions.
Contractors, for repairs or renovations.
Interview and vet each member carefully. 7. Understand the buying process. Here's a quick overview. Find the right property. Make an offer and negotiate. Conduct inspections and due diligence. Secure financing and finalize contracts. Close the deal and take ownership. Don't rush. Each step is crucial to avoid costly mistakes. 8. Manage your investment. Once you own the property, keep it in good condition. Screen tenants carefully. Collect rent on time. Stay compliant with local laws. Plan for maintenance and repairs. If you don't want to manage it yourself, hire a property management company. 9. Know the risks. Real estate isn't risk-free. Watch out for vacancies, market downturns, unexpected repairs, bad tenants or evictions, legal issues or lawsuits. Always have an emergency fund and insurance. 10. Consider alternative strategies. If buying physical property feels overwhelming, here are alternatives. REITs, publicly traded on stock exchanges, easy to buy and sell. Real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow small investors to join big projects. Real estate partnerships or syndications, pooling funds with others to buy larger assets. Conclusion. To wrap up, set clear goals. Do your market research. Build a trusted team. Understand the buying process. Manage risks carefully. Whether you're buying a single-family rental or investing in a commercial project, US real estate offers a range of opportunities. But remember, education is key and patience pays off. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future updates. And if you have any questions or want me to cover specific topics in future videos, drop a comment below.